Hey, I'm Josh from Vacuums R Us and Sewing 2, and I am gonna talk to you about this optional accessory kit for Riccar's latest R70 Deluxe Smart Mop. It's an electric mop. This kit has a bunch of additional tools, but importantly, it allows you to turn your electric floor mop into a stick vac, allowing you to have essentially two products in one. Okay, so this is the standard R70 Smart Deluxe Mop, the standard base, and then this right here is the additional toolkit and its holder. It actually snaps into the standard base, so everything stays kind of in one small footprint. You essentially have a whole cleaning system that just stays in one spot altogether, and everything clips in there. So this comes with a bunch of things. One thing it comes with is this flexible hose. So this kind of turns this thing into a more traditional, like handheld vacuum cleaner. This is super handy for when you're cleaning your car. You can put the crevice tool on here and you can get in all kinds of nooks and crannies since it's a cordless machine when you're cleaning your car. It also comes with a pet grooming brush. So it's got the little metal toothy things here for grooming the dog. All of the loose hair will come out, and then it has a button. So the way you'd use it is you probably would put it on the hose. You'll groom the dog and then you push the button and it will take all of the hair off. It'll remove the hair, but since the machine is on and there's suction, all the hair sucks inside the machine. Saves a lot of time. It also comes with what I usually call these fan cleaning tools because they have that little bend on them. And so you can use them for ceiling fans. And so the two most important tools this comes with is it has a motorized brush that has rubber scrapers as well as brushes on them. These are great for getting pet hair off stairs, couch, stuff like that, and it's fully motorized. It's not an air-powered device. It's actually motorized, so these work really well. And most importantly, and the number one reason that you'll get the additional toolkit is this right here. This right here converts your machine into a traditional stick vacuum that you can use for cleaning up crumbs, cleaning up rugs, doing quick surface cleaning on your carpets. And it negates the need to have multiple machines. So that is the accessory kit that you can get for your Riccar R70 Deluxe Smart Mop. What I want you to take away here is that all of these additional tools are super handy. They're going to make getting your home clean easier and faster, and you'll spend less time. But if there was only one thing that you got out of this kit, and it was this, that would make it worth it, because this negates the need for an entirely separate device. This turns the Smart Mop into a stick vac so that you can do the dry cleaning over your rugs and your carpet and stuff like that without having to have a second machine. By the time this video hits, most dealers are going to have this in their stores. You can go and check them out. If you don't have a local dealer, you can always go to vacuumsrus.com and order one from us, or you can give us a call. We can do it over the phone. If you have any questions, feel free to call us.